So today I am finally tackling all of this. It has turned into a mess in here because I just have far too much inventory and we need to organize this. Also, I got some flooring to replace this floor. So I think it's pretty obvious the first thing we need to do is remove everything from in here. I'm basically going to take everything out and then I'll probably leave these bookshelves here. So let's do it. So the next thing we're going to do is paint inside this closet because it has stains all over it. I've tried cleaning it many times, the stains won't come out and it just looks gross, so we need paint. I actually had some white paint just sitting around. I got primer, white paint, let's hope it's still good. And then I went to Walmart, bought these, and then I had this laying around. It's not the best quality, but you know what, it works. So we're trying to do this as cheap as possible. I already had this, so all we had to buy were these two. So let's paint. So we've got this all painted, and honestly, it's definitely not my best paint job, but it'll work. I mean, you're not going to see most of the paint job anyway because I got these shelves, which they're pretty similar to the shelf up here, and I'm going to install both of these. So there's going to be tons of things on these shelves anyway, so it's not like you'll see the white paint anyway. So I think it'll work. While this dries, I am going to lay the flooring I got, which I will link down below to this flooring if you guys are interested in it because I think it's really freaking cool. So this is what it looks like. And do you know when people have kids, they buy like these little puzzle piece looking things? You can see how they look like a puzzle piece on the end, and they're all bright colors and they lay them down so it's like soft padding for the kids to play. That's basically what this is, but it looks like a wood floor instead. And the reason why I really wanted to change the flooring in here, not only because this flooring looks like crap, but this flooring there's no padding on it and it really hurts my feet, and my back will hurt, my legs will hurt, my feet will hurt at the end of the day after working in here all day. So since this has like nice like half-inch padding, this will be much better on my feet. So not only is it going to look better, my feet and back will feel a lot better. And I'm hoping I got enough to fill up this entire room. Anyways, I will link this down below if you guys want to buy it. It's pretty inexpensive. I mean, I paid $100 to do this entire room, which I think is worth it, but it may not be worth it to you. I don't know. So hopefully I can figure out how to do this. Watch me struggle. So I'm only 2 in and I'm already lost on what exactly I'm going to do here. And I realized I need to take this out of here. So I think I'm going to go ahead, do that, and then try to sort of like just get this going, and then I'll check back in with you guys because I'm not going to do a time lapse because I'm slightly lost. I'll have to figure out what I'm doing first. So a few hours later and we're done. Unfortunately, we did not have enough to go here into the closet. Those are the rest of the edge pieces that I'm keeping for some reason. And these, they're just kind of rigged up like sitting here just to cover up the ugly metal thing that was right here. But you know what? It's something for now. I don't really walk right there, so I'm not too worried about it. I really like it. It looks really good. It's nice and soft to walk on. And yeah, so the next thing I want to do is put these shelves up in here in the closet so I can start organizing. So let's do that. I made a hole in the wall. Apparently, you're not supposed to hammer these in. You're just supposed to push them in with the back of the hammer, which never heard of that, whatever. Until I get around to mudding this. There, temporary band-aid. Cute. It works. All right, 3 holes later. All those Hello Kitty stickers, those are all holes I made in the wall. But we have the shelves up. They're definitely not installed like perfectly, but whatever, they work. And these brackets are pretty annoying because when I put things there, I sort of like need to work around them. But you know what? It's still way more storage than I had before. So I'm excited to organize everything. But next, I want to put together 2 bookshelves because I have a bookshelf that's gonna go there. And then a bookshelf that's going to go, sorry, that's my disgusting trash can. But another bookshelf is going to go behind this door. By the way, I forgot to mention the bookshelf that was here before. I moved it over here because it just fits so perfectly. So yeah, now there's gonna be a new one right there. So I got this bookshelf put together. Now it's time to put together another one. Should go a lot quicker this time since I know how to put it together. So, we finally have finished putting everything together, screwing everything in. It's done. It's over with. That took forever. I started this at around 2 o'clock, 2:30 maybe, and it is now 11:42. So you do the math. I'm tired, but I need to bring everything back in tonight. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So when I bring everything back in, I'm going to try to organize everything as best as I possibly can, but it definitely won't be like ideal. I'll probably come in and organize it again tomorrow. I just need to get everything back in here. And I also need to sweep. There's lots of styrofoam and stuff, so let's do that first. Alright, here's somewhat of the final reveal, I guess. I've basically got everything in here now, but I obviously still have like a few more final touches of organization. Like, obviously I want to hang up this pegboard somewhere. I'll figure that out. And I just have a few things just to touch up and organize. I'll probably move a lot of things around. We'll see. But for the most part, this feels so much better. Oh my gosh. The floor like really transforms everything. I am so freaking tired. It's 1:20 a.m. I'm done. And I think this is where I'm going to end the video, I guess. I'll probably do another full tour of this room just like I did like a couple months ago. I did my workshop tour. I'll probably do it again because yeah, everything's gonna be different. And I still have a lot more to do. I'm tired. I don't really know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Later.
Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, LettsBlend, Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Salt Air Label, Linny's Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, Hempy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy & Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Beauty by Riza, B-Job Spa, and Facial Daily Rituals over on Instagram. Also, if you didn't know, I sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down in the description box, along with all my lovely patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself with you.